Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christie's Lead Services, a small business in Abington. I see you guys actually live in Drescher, so you advertising a lot. And I went to your website, thought I'd shoot you the screencast, show you how you're generating leads online and give you some insight into how it all works. If at the end of the video you'd like to learn anything more about Christie's Lead Services, please reach out via phone, email, or text. And if not, totally fine, no harm, no foul. So I'm going to go over keywords content on your front page right now. So this is your front page. You have a nice notice to a phone number to call, which is good. Looks like you have some information about what you do there. So Google generally likes to see about 1,500 words of content. So increasing your content will help Google relate you and figure out what it is that you do and where you do it. Within those 1,500 words of content, I throw in about 10 highly searched keywords, which I have tools to figure out what they are, but they're pretty logical, like, tree services, Montgomery County, tree removal, Montgomery County. And they make the content flows, it's authoritative, and then Google can relate your services. And then when those keywords are being searched, you're going to pop up if they're linked and tagged correctly. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did tree services, Montgomery County, PA. I could have done tree removal, tree companies, lots of different ways people search for the same thing on Google. So one way to optimize your website is to figure out what you want to be found for and then figure out how it's being searched with the most search volume. So you have your Google guaranteed ads here and then your regular ads, and then you have your map pack, which is where you want to be. So this is a really good place to be because it's high visibility and people can just click to call on a mobile phone. You take up a lot of space. So you just got to go through a little profile to get there, to register to be there. And once you're there, you got to keep up with your citations. You want to have more citations than your competitors. The citation is just your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, and Yellow Pages. So if you are top spot in the map pack and top spot organically underneath it, which is this company, if you're in both spots, statistically you get 80% of the visitors that come to this page for this word, which is a decent amount. So in order to get here underneath the map pack organically, you want to have strong backlinks and referring domains. A backlink is just another website that links back to yours. It could be a blog about trees, and someone posts your website, and it is the backlink, and that blog is the referring domain. So I'm going to show you a tool I use called Ahrefs. This gives me some insight into websites. Here you guys. This is your trust rating and your power. You have 96 backlinks and 15 domains. So you want to try to increase the quantity of those and then check the quality. It's like getting the Nikes over the store brand. The better quality, the more powerful your website will be and help you rank. You're being found in the top 100 spots for 56 keywords, and you're getting 57 visits a month approximately. This could be off by a little bit. I'm going to show you your keywords, and while that's loading, I'll just show one competitor, Willow. Their backlinks, their domains, their keywords, and their traffic. So let's go back here and I'll show you what I mean by a high buyer intent keyword, and I'll show you what spots you're in. Okay, so these are words you're going to rank for because they're in your content, but there's no buyer intent there. Excuse me. So, okay, I don't see any that would have buyer intent. Let me jump into your competitors here. Okay, so let's just see if they have any. Okay, Doylestown Tree Service, that would be buyer intent because someone lives in Doylestown and needs a tree service. It has 60 searches a month, 0 KD, which means it's the easiest in terms of time and money. This goes all the way up to 100, and they're in spot 4. Tree services in PA, tree service Doylestown, search volume, KDs, tree removal Doylestown. So you want to be in spots 1, 2, or 3. Beyond that, you could be even on the second page. So you kind of get the idea there. Newtown Tree Service, 40 searches on KD. So you want to kind of just try to add those words to your content, and then you pop up when people are searching for those words. So thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to learn anything else about Christie's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. My door is always open. I work within budgets and would love to have a short 10-minute conversation with you. And if not, the timing's not right, I understand. No harm, no foul. Have an awesome day.